Have you ever heard a dog who waited for his master every single day, even after his master passed away? How far can love and loyalty really go? So good day, I'm Decadent Kiada Matthew P. And today, I'll be sharing a touching story about loyalty, love, and friendship. Hachiko, the true story of a loyal dog by Pamela S. Turner. The story of Hachiko is not originally a novel, but a true story that really took place in Japan. Because of its inspiring message, many authors and filmmakers later created books and movies based on it. So, Hachiko's story began as a real event, but it was later adapted into novels and films that continue to inspire people with the message of loyalty and love. A long time ago, Professor Hidesaburo Yuno received an unexpected special gift that would change his life forever. A small Akita breed puppy, and he named him Hachiko. From the moment they met, they were always together. They became very close. Hachiko would always follow his master everywhere and brought happiness into the professor's life. Every morning, the professor would take the train to work at the University of Tokyo, and Hachiko would walk with him to Shibuya Station. Regardless of the weather or circumstances, Hachiko patiently awaited his beloved owner's return. This routine became an integral part of their lives and an inspiration to those who witnessed his unwavering loyalty. The loyal dog waited there every afternoon for his master to return. Rain or shine, he never missed a day. People around the station started to notice Hachiko's loyalty, and they admired how faithful he was to his owner. But one sad day in 1925, Professor Yuno suffered a stroke while giving one of his lectures at the university. He never came back to the station. Even though Hachiko didn't understand what happened, he kept going back to Shibuya Station every single day, waiting for his master who would never return. But Hachiko's loyalty did not fade with the loss of his beloved master. Despite the pain and confusion, Hachiko continued to go to Shibuya Station, waiting for his dear master's return. The news of Professor Yuno's passing spread quickly, and many wondered what would happen to Hachiko. Some suggested that the dog would be taken to another home. But Hachiko had other plans. He kept going back to Shibuya Station, hoping for his beloved master to come back. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. But Hachiko never lost hope. Hachiko continued his daily routine for almost 10 years. Yes, you heard it right, almost 10 years. Patiently waiting in the same spot. His loyalty touched the hearts of many people in Japan, and they began calling him the faithful dog of Shibuya. When Hachiko finally passed away in 1934, the people of Tokyo built a statue of him at the Shibuya station to honor his love and loyalty, and a reminder to future generations of the importance of fidelity and unconditional love. The statue of Hachiko, sculpted by renowned Japanese artist Takeshi Ando, became a pilgrimage site for those seeking inspiration and a connection to the story of this brave dog. Until now, his story remains a powerful symbol of faithfulness, love, and devotion between humans and their pets. Loyalty like Hachiko's reminds us that love doesn't need words, just actions that stay true even the world moves on. If a dog can show such loyalty and love, how much more can we, as humans, do for the people we care about? Thank you for watching and listening. May the story of Hachiko inspire us all to be more loyal, compassionate, and grateful for the bonds we share with others. God bless you.